In this video, you will understand the process of generating QR code to request for payment from your customers. To generate QR code and send payment request to your customer, all you need is a UPI ID and a one-time setup in TallyPrime. You can easily do it from within TallyPrime after the voucher creation, at the time of saving the voucher, from daybook, ledger voucher reports, or outstanding reports, as per your preference. Furthermore, you can generate QR codes while printing the ledger voucher, outstanding reports, or reminder letters. You can also print, export or email vouchers and reports with QR code if needed. What's more, TallyPrime gives you the flexibilities to send QR code for multiple vouchers of a single party or for multiple vouchers of multiple parties as needed. Now, let's see how to enable payment request and enter merchant profile details to share QR code in TallyPrime. Press F11. Set Show More Features to Yes, and then set Enable Payment Request to share payment link or QR code in TallyPrime to Yes. The merchant profile details screen appears. Enter the name, say your username. Select the payment method, payment gateway or UPI. Enter the UPI ID as registered with any payment service provider. Enter the correct UPI ID and merchant name. The QR code is generated for the UPI ID provided by you. You can restrict altering the UPI ID in your profile. If you have multiple users logging into your company, restrict such users by disallowing access to company features under security control levels. Enter merchant name. The company name will be filled in by default. However, you have the flexibility to update this name if needed. You can create multiple merchant profiles if needed. Now, to configure the merchant profile further, press F12. Save QR code while generating from reports ensures that whenever you generate QR code for single or multiple vouchers from the reports, you can choose to save the QR code in multiple vouchers or can deny it. Once you set the option to Yes, you get the option in the merchant profile details screen. Under Save QR code while generating from reports, select the appropriate option. If you set it to Ask every time, then while generating QR code, TallyPrime will ask whether you want to save the QR code in the selected vouchers every time. If you set it to Yes, it will save the QR code in all the selected vouchers without asking. If you set it to No, it will not save the QR code in the vouchers. Let's set it as Ask every time. Press Ctrl+A to save the merchant profile and then press Ctrl+A to save the F11 features. You are ready to use the feature for sales, POS, journal, debit note, delivery note, and sales order. Now, let's see how to generate QR code from the voucher alteration screen of an already recorded voucher. Press Alt+G. Type or select a book and press Enter. Select the voucher for which you want to generate QR code and press Enter. Press Alt+Z. Generate payment link or QR code. Current and press Enter. The Generate Payment Link or QR code screen appears. If you have multiple merchant profiles or say UPI IDs, then you can select the one that you want to use. Press F12 to configure this screen. Let's set Show Remarks as Yes. Select the reference number. By default, the voucher number is considered as the reference number. However, you can select some other references from the list or specify a new number if needed. Under Remarks, you can enter a message for the customer. Press Ctrl+A to save the details entered in the screen. The QR code gets generated successfully. Now, in the voucher, press Ctrl+O. Select payment link or QR code and press enter. You can see the QR code and other details such as UPI ID and amount. You can also print the QR code on the voucher. Press Ctrl+P. Press C to configure. Type or select method of payment request and press enter. Select QR code and press enter. Press Ctrl+A to save the setting and then press I to preview. As you can see, the QR code are the part of the print. Similarly, you can email or export the PDF of the voucher and share with your customers via email, print, or other modes as per your preference. Inform your customers to validate your UPI ID and bank account name while making the payments. Now, let's see how to generate QR code at the time of saving a voucher. Press Alt+G. Alter Master. Voucher type. Type or select the name of the voucher type, say sales and press enter. In the voucher type alteration screen, set generate payment link or QR code after saving voucher to yes. This ensures that whenever you save the voucher, TallyPrime prompts you to generate a QR code. Let's see how it works. Press Alt+G. Create voucher. Enter all the necessary details such as party account, sales ledger, and stock items. Press Ctrl+A to save the voucher. As you can see, TallyPrime asks you if you want to generate the QR code. Press Y to generate the QR code. Enter all the necessary details in the Generate Payment Link or QR code screen appears and press Ctrl+A. The QR code gets generated. Now, let us see how to generate QR code for multiple vouchers recorded for single or multiple parties. Press Alt+G. Type or select a book. Press enter. Select the voucher and press enter. Use spacebar to select the vouchers recorded for single or multiple parties for which we want to generate the QR code. Press Alt+Z. Generate payment link or QR code. Current and press enter. The Generate Payment Link or QR code screen appears. Under reference number, you can see that the QR code will get generated for multiple bill references and not just a single invoice. Click the down button and you can see that the other party and the amount corresponding to it is also mentioned. You can change the amount based on the amount for which you want to generate QR code for the party. For instance, a party might want to pay only a partial sum at the moment, for which you can change the amount easily. Once you press Ctrl+A to save the Generate Payment Link or QR code screen, TallyPrime asks if you want to save the QR codes in the selected vouchers. This message appears because we had implemented the required setting while creating merchant profile in F11 features. As you can see, we had set Ask Every Time and the Save QR code while generating from reports while creating the merchant profile. If you press Y, then the QR code will get generated and saved in each voucher, and it will reflect the same amount in all the vouchers based on the total amount of the selected vouchers. If you do not want to save the QR code in all vouchers, then press N. In that case, the QR code will not get generated and saved in the selected vouchers. Since you had select multiple vouchers, TallyPrime displays an exchange summary in which you can see information such as number of payment requests and QR codes generated. Moreover, here you can also see the party-wise status as the QR code was generated for multiple parties. Similarly, you can select multiple vouchers in any other ledger voucher or outstanding reports and generate QR code. Press Alt+G. Ledger vouchers. Type or select party name and press enter. Now, press Ctrl+P to print the current screen. Press C to configure. Type or select method of payment request and press enter. Select QR code. Press Ctrl+A to save the configuration. Press I to preview. The Generate Payment Link or QR code screen appears. Under reference number, you can either select all bills or specific bills. Let's select specific bills. Select the specific references for which you want to generate the QR code. Select End of List and press Enter. Press Y to generate the QR code. As you can see, the QR code gets generated for the specific bills you selected. The exchange summary appears, in which you can see information such as number of payment requests and QR codes generated. Press Escape and you can see the print preview with the QR code. You can follow the same procedures in the ledger outstanding reports and reminder letters, and you can print the reports with QR code. As you saw, TallyPrime provides you with a wide range of facilities to share QR code with your customers, as you can generate QR code during voucher creation, voucher alteration, and for multiple vouchers of single or multiple parties as required. Thank you.